Welcome to Pat Group, a group of companies with over 30 years' experience of working in synergy with our clients, both in the complete construction of machinery for the pharmaceutical, cosmetics, food, and other related industries, as well as in technological processes and services. To find out how one idea can change everything, we invite you to explore our facilities. Here we are in our sales office. This is where the long road of co-creation with those who choose us starts. We partner up with our clients, and to do that, in this room, we identify their requirements and get a feel for the reality of the market in which they operate. We are allies in a future that's being built. Understanding each and every aspect of the project in detail allows us to come up with a comprehensive and efficient solution. During the conception of the project, our know-how is interwoven with the client's idea. The engineering room is where the creativity of our professionals develops the idea, customizing the design and accompanying the client in the realization of their goal. This is where we interpret and define dreams before getting them down on paper. Nothing is left to chance, only efficiency. At our next stop, we'll see how ideas start to take shape. Once the design of a machine has been conceived, its blueprints mark the beginning of a long phase of development that starts here at Plant 1 of our industrial warehouses. The first station is the area where raw materials are received. This is the stomach of Pat Group, an area where tons of primary materials such as sheet metal, stainless steel, and engines, fundamentals for the health of the project and development, are deposited and stockpiled. In order to deliver a machine that will form part of a production system, we manipulate material in different ways. At Plant 1, we have the cutting and splitting tools needed to work with a wide range of materials. In our polishing sector, we hold ourselves to a standard of 0.4 microns in roughness for each part of the equipment in contact with the product. During the metalwork stage, abstract development takes a practical turn, and the machine starts to take shape. Here, sections of steel that are later welded to other small parts are assembled in order to finish construction of the equipment's backbone. In the soldering sector, our certified team is able to execute solid, robust welds between metals. Plant 1 provides us with the adaptability necessary to take on any kind of project, be it to standard or custom build. This forming sector is where we do the folding, rolling, and bending as required by our clients' projects. Our machining workshop is where we turn metal into parts. We manufacture each and every part from start to finish. When finished, we check the quality of each piece with very high-tech equipment. Once they've passed quality control, the parts are ready to be fitted in the assembly of the machine. At Pat Group, we make more than just machinery. We ally ourselves with our clients and engineer their dreams. We're always ready to take on new challenges. That's why we built an 11,000 square meter warehouse, ensuring we always have the stock to meet our clients' needs. We have the power to transform through know-how. We set ourselves the task of building the future. In our training room, we regularly update our staff on all the latest innovations in technology, engineering, and mechanics. At Pat Group, we know that in order to continue growing and providing value to our clients, we need commitment and professionalism from everyone on our team. The company is strategically distributed across the world. All our products are adapted to meet international standards. This is our electric assembly plant. Here, the nervous system of our machines is developed using cutting-edge technology and automation components from leading brands. We accept work from anywhere worldwide and adapt the design and manufacture of panels in order to comply with the regional standard where the equipment will be used. Nothing just appears out of nowhere. Ideas are the result of our curiosity, needs, or something that we ignore but remains waiting to be discovered. On this long path of development, our engineers' design is about to see the light of day. At Plant 2, we finish by putting the metal mechanic construction and the electric assembly together. This is where our efforts and our clients' dreams come together to round off the manufacture of something that started out as an idea. Finished equipment is put through all kinds of trials to validate its industrial use in different markets, much like carrying out fat checks. Completing a machine means consolidating our relationship with the client. It's a new path leading to constant development. And we're there all along the way because we provide solutions that go beyond the conceptualization and manufacture of machinery. Our commitment to service and experience in the development of pharmaceutical and food industry products come together in our pilot lab. From here, we provide solutions for the formulation of new solid, semi-solid, and liquid products. What's more, we also carry out chemical analysis and technology transfer. By this means, we offer a comprehensive solution to the development needs of our products, from conception through to registration for their later sale on the market of interest to our clients. We are Pat Group, an international company with 30 years' experience looking to the future. We are an interdisciplinary team of engineers of all branches, technicians, mechanics, electricians, programmers, and administrators, united behind a sole objective: to provide an efficient, precise solution to each of our clients around the world. Thank you for exploring our facilities. We are Pat Group, your future ally in manufacture.